What is your name?
My name's Daniel Knott.
Nicole Bickle.
Malcolm Goodwin.
It's Jay-Ben John.
Bruce Grady.
My name is Fernanda.
And Barry.
My name is Bruce Edie.
My name is Amir.
What's your title?
I'm a graduate flood engineer here.
Data engineer.
It's a flood operations manager.
I am a student, flood engineer.
Technical lead.
My title is Business Development Manager.
And what do you actually do?
Checking the information that we've got to make sure that it's valid and to make sure that we're getting good results.
Writing a bit of code, and generally kind of helping out the team in any way I can.
Why did you choose FloodMapp?
Mainly to bridge the gap between the traditional flood studies and then what the information that disaster managers were using.
I chose FloodMapp because I wanted to make a real difference.
Have you been impacted by flooding? Yes, I did. Because I'm from Brazil, so they have a lot of problems with flood as well.
I actually grew up thinking that flooding was very normal.
Not directly, but as Queensland's disaster manager, indirectly, lots of times.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Coffee for sure.
Coffee. I prefer tea.
Coffee. Black.
Coffee.
Tea, come on, Chinese.